Okay, this function y equals f of x undergoes the transformation x equals f of y. Clearly, from our other work we've done, we know that's an inverse function that's happened. Inverse functions, well, if you take the line y equals x, which runs diagonally across the number plane, and say you have some function, let's say this one here that looks like that green one. If I take its inverse function, what I'm doing is reflecting it in the line y equals x. So the inverse function would look something like that. Now you can see clearly that the points that remain unchanged under that transformation are the points that lie on the line y equals x. And any point that lies on the line y equals x clearly has x and y parts the same in their ordered pairs. So I know that part C is the only one that has that. So that's one way to answer that. But let's work up that solution based on our transformations and image point notation. Like we know that normally you take some point and you transform it to the point x prime, y prime. Now they've told us that y is equal to f of x, and then they've said the transformed function will have x prime equal to f of y prime. So I can see there by equating those things together, by taking that, I can see that y is equal to x prime, and by taking that there, I can see that x is equal to y prime. So x prime here, I put y, because that's what it says there. And y prime here, I put x, because that's what it says there. So the transformation they've given us is they say, whatever point you take, x, y, must become the point y, x. That's what they're saying. So if we hadn't known that that's what an inverse function did, that's what it's doing. Now, we can take each of the points they give us, like the point 7, 1, it becomes the point 1, 7. Well, it hasn't remained unchanged. The ordered pairs, the order matters. The point 3 minus 3 becomes the point minus 3, 3. Well, that's not unchanged. The point 5, 5 becomes the point 5, 5. That is unchanged, so part C is clearly the right answer. And the point 3, 1 becomes the point 1, 3. Well, that's not the right answer. None of these are unchanged under the transformation given. So part C.